Thank you for calling at the Department of Legal Affairs with U.S. Treasury. Can I help you?
Yes, sir. This is Anthony Alvarez, and I received a message to call this number, something about my taxes.
All right, sir. First of all, sir, my name is Officer Austin Black. I'm calling you from the Legal Department of U.S. Treasury. My federal batch ID number is 17935.
Okay, have I done something wrong?
Like, I will let you know what is going on, but first of all, sir, I need your first and last name so that I can pull up your records in the system.
Okay, my name is Anthony Alvarez, Alvarez.
A-V-A,
No, Alvarez.
Alvarez,
Alvarez.
Alvarez,
Alvarez, yes.
Alvarez,
Right,
Anthony Alvarez. Yeah.
right.
Mr. Alvarez, first of all, sir, let me introduce myself. My name is Officer Austin Black. I'm calling you from the Legal Department of U.S. Treasury. My federal batch ID number is 17935.
Yes, I wrote, yeah, I've already got that, yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Alvarez, the nature of my calling is to inform you, sir, there is a legal enforcement action which has been filed against your name by the Internal Revenue Services, and
Against
this
me?
is to do with your, yeah, and this is to do with your federal income taxes. Are you aware about this?
Well, I mean, I know I owe about $1,400, but I I didn't think it was that big of a
Mis-
deal, honestly. But
Mr. Alvarez, do you remember for which year right now?
do I remember what?
Do you remember for which year you are running on your federal income taxes?
I believe I owe from the last 2 years about $1,400. I believe
Mr.
it's
Mr.
just
Alvarez, for your 2015 and 2016. Am I correct? And how did you file the taxes for 2015 and 2016? You had an accountant or you filed them by yourself?
no, I had an accountant to do it. He does my taxes every year.
It's a tax company or a tax accountant? A private accountant.
Uh, it's a private. He's a he owns a tax office, so
All right.
that's what he does is taxes and CPA.
All right. Tax office. He has a tax office. So he handles many tax paper, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Mr. Anthony, sir, in the year of 2014 and 2015, sir, your taxes has been filed incorrectly. While filing your taxes, Mr. Anthony, there has been certain miscalculations, error, and discrepancies which has been took place due to which, Mr. Anthony, the amount you paid as taxes for the year of 2014 and 2015 did not justify the actual amount you should have been paid. And when the Internal Revenue Services audited your tax paper, Mr. Anthony, Internal Revenue Services has found out that you are still running on your federal income taxes due to the miscalculations and error which took place while filing the taxes.
Okay. So what do I need to do?
Right now, sir, you have to hire a criminal attorney for yourself who will be able to represent you in the court in next 45 minutes. Because in next 45 minutes right now, once I disconnect the phone line, automatic the warrant will be executed in your town. Officer with the local sheriff county will be there at your exact location to verify your ID, get you arrested for next 2 years without any bail. So, Mr. Anthony, do you have any kind of question, sir? Before I hang up the call and I issue a warrant for arrest, let me know.
Yeah, I have a warrant against me.
Yes, sir. Right now there is a arrest warrant for your arrest at the moment. You have committed a case of tax evasion, which is financially crime right now. And the amount is not 1400 right now. The amount has been increased because the outstanding balance was very huge right now. They have audited your tax paper. They have rechecked your tax paper once again. They have found like you are trying to defraud the government intentionally and trying to run away from the situation.
How much is it now?
So right now the balance which I can see under your name, Mr. Alvarez, it's all including your late payment charges, interest rate and penalty fees. It goes to $6,190, sir.
6,190.
Yeah.
Good Lord. Well,
Right now, sir, that's the reason.
can I
Yes, sir.
can I set up payments or something like that?
Right now, sir, sorry to say there is no option for you to do a payment right now, and we are not from the collection agency where we will go ahead and collect any kind of money from you. Because today, Internal Revenue Services has forwarded all your documentation to my department to go ahead and issue a arrest warrant for arrest at the moment. Because, sir, you are trying to run away from the situation from many years and trying to defraud the government intentionally from your end. So, sir, today, IRS is no more handling your case paper. They have forwarded your documentation to my department right now. And once I disconnect the phone line, sir, the legal proceedings will be started against your name. So, sir, is there anything you would like to ask or say before I hang up the call and I get you arrested for next 2 years? Let me know.
Well, I mean, what can I do to keep from being arrested?
So there is nothing you can do, sir, because right now, once you are getting arrested about this case, your bank account's gonna be freezed, your driver's license will be suspended. Are you working, sir? You have a job, right?
Yes, I work. Yeah.
Yeah, so you will be, so the Department of Employers will be notified about your situation. So you will be losing your job for next 5 years. That means you cannot work for the whole United States for next 5 years, Mr. Carroll, Mr. Anthony.
Okay, well, can't we resolve this?
So there is no option for you to resolve this or do anything for this, sir, because all your resolving option has been already closed, and IRS was expecting a resolution in your past, which wasn't been done from your end. So that's the reason, sir. Today there is a non-bailable arrest warrant which has been issued out on your name for your arrest right now.
And that warrant would be from the courthouse, from the sheriff, right?
Right. Once I disconnect the phone line, documentation will be passed on the sheriff department right now of your town. They will come there, they will verify your ID, get you arrested for next further investigation.
There has to be some way to keep from getting arrested.
Mr. Anthony, sorry to say you there is no option for you, and I cannot see any kind of option in my system that you can go and do anything for this. Right now, by seeing your past record, I can do only one last thing for you. As I see in the system, like you don't have any kind of criminal lawsuit till this date, am I right?
Nothing too bad.
Yeah, till this date, like apart from this, right now you don't have any kind of criminal lawsuit till this date, and you are a law-abiding citizen. So, seeing your past record right now, as you sound to be genuine, and you don't have any kind of criminal lawsuit till this date, am I right?
No, I don't believe so.
So I can have a word with the signing authority of your case right now, the main person of your case. I will have a word with him. I will try to convince him about your situation. I can bring him on the line, all right?
Okay.
So you can have a word with him and you can convince him about your situation because he is the main person of your case paper. Once he signs your paper right now, you will be getting arrested, sir. So I will just transfer this call to the signing authority and you can have a word with him. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So be on the line. Give me a few seconds, sir, so that I can connect this line to the senior supervisor. All right?
Okay.
Yeah, be on the line.
Oh boy.
Federal Agent Adam Jones, am I speaking with Anthony?
Yes, this is he.
Uh, All right. I do believe you just had word with one of my officer. He transferred the call, stating that you have some questions about the lawsuit which is filed against your name.
Yeah, that's correct. I just don't want to be arrested.
Okay. And did he explain you what exactly went wrong? That why there is a warrant issued out against your name?
He did, yeah.
Okay. So at this stage, like, didn't he made you aware? Like, your accountant didn't inform you about this because there is legal notices. It's quite too late right now. The CP 503 and CP 90 notice has already been sent to your tax person, and since then there is no response received from your end, neither from your accountant. See, that's the only reason IRS have thought that you're intentionally trying to evade your taxes, and they have filed a tax evasion case against your name right now.
So you sent notice to my accountant?
Yes, that's true.
Okay. He should have answered it. What address did you send it to?
The address information will be verified to you once we start with the legal proceedings. That the verification has to be done by the investigating officer, who's gonna come, serve you with the paperwork, verify all the information, verify identity, and then they get you arrested for the further investigation. So I thought you might have received the information already by your tax person,
No,
because
no,
that's what
I
I
haven't
have
received
got here on the
anything.
case paper.
I've not received
Okay.
nothing.
See, at this stage, the only thing that I can do, I cannot give you any commitment whether you're gonna get such kind of a. Can
Sir,
you hear
you
me?
keep cutting in and out on me.
No, no, actually, I was not getting a correct, proper signal from your end. That's the reason I said, like, can you hear me? Because your voice is still breaking up.
Okay, well, okay.
Can, all right. So, can you hear me clearly now?
Yeah, I can now, yeah.
All right, perfect. Now, not a problem. Listen to me carefully, Anthony. As you said, you want to resolve this. At this stage, I'm from legal department. We are not authorized to give any kind of a chance where you can go ahead and rectify the situation outside the court. But the only thing that I can do is I can try and talk to the investigating officer about it. I can try and talk to the investigating officer about your situation once. In case if he is still willing to give you a chance to rectify the situation outside the court, then he will let me know what exactly you can do. But if given a chance, you sure you would be able to settle the outstanding balance, the complete balance which is pending against your name today itself on an immediate basis?
Would would I be able to pay it today?
That's what I'm trying to say. Yes. So will you be able to pay off today in order to stop the warrants which is there against your name, so that I can take off all the charges? On top of, you will be getting a clean sheet that yes, there is nothing pending against your name, and all your confirmation will be sent out to you once this has been rectified. So will you be
He's
able to
he
pay
s-
the outstanding balance, which is
he said I owed $6,190. I
that's
cannot
true.
I cannot pay that. I could pay
Hmm. So what
uh
is the amount that you have on you, if not the complete amount?
I could pay, let's see, I get paid again, and I could pay 2,000. Would that?
That's what you have on you right now.
Yeah, well, yeah, I could pay 2,000.
That's what the amount you have it with yourself right now, right? Nothing more, like, you sure, like, you being honest over this recorded line, that that's the only amount that you have on you right now? Because if any kind of a background check ran upon your name, and if they found anything more than that, so you just need to be honest. So accordingly, I can explain the
Well,
investigating officer about your exact financial situation,
well, no,
and let's
I've
see how
got
it's working out.
I've got $2,300, but I need about 300 to live on for the,
Okay. Okay.
I could,
All
like I
right.
said,
Not a problem.
I could pay about
Not a
2,000.
problem. Not
Oh,
a problem. As you have been
oh
honest over
boy.
this recorded line,
Yeah,
what I
yeah.
can do is, Anthony. Right. So what I can do is, as I said, I cannot give you any commitment. I will explain about your situation to the investigating officer. Try and talk to him. Let's see if he is getting convinced to accept the part payment. See, as it's quite too late. It's not even 30% of the overall outstanding, which is there against your name. Like, close to 30%, you can say that. But if he is still willing to accept the payment and give you some time extension in order to settle the remainder balance, so will you be able to arrange the remainder balance by borrowing it from someone?
Uh, Not today.
If given it. Okay.
I mean,
Not a problem.
I could pay the remaining balance if I could set up payments or something like that.
I'll try.
I could
I
pay
can.
two, I could pay
Mhm. I can
2,000
try for the
today.
payment schedule as this. Right, that's what I'm saying. You can come up with this 2000 today. I cannot give you any commitment for the payment schedule. Okay, but if possible, I'll try my best to get you a payment schedule as well. But if payment schedule is not given, then in that case, would you be able to arrange the funds?
Yes, I'd be able to set up payments, yeah.
Okay. And you don't even have a credit card against your name?
Yeah, I've got a credit card.
So what is the limit on your card? You can also come up with the maximum amount by getting the cash advance on your credit card as well. So what is the amount that you have on you on your credit card?
I've probably got about $3,000 on it, and I think the limit is 5,000.
Okay, but the available balance is only 3,000. You have used about 2,000 on your credit card as well, correct?
Right, yeah.
Alright, see, so in that case, you don't have to borrow. Like, I can set up a payment schedule for remaining $1,990. You can come up with 3,000 from your credit card, 2,000 from your end. Your outstanding is $6,190. You don't even have to borrow the amount from anyone else for the remainder balance, which is quite a less amount, like hardly a 30% of the amount. So for
Okay,
that, I would be in a position to set up a payment schedule. For that, I
okay.
cannot give you any commitment. Again, see, I cannot give you any commitment. That's the only problem because I'm not authorized to give any kind of a chance or anything like that.
Well,
But
who
I will
can?
definitely try my best. The investigating officer, I'll let you know how exactly this works. See, I only need to get a permission right now. This might take me about 2 minutes in order to get the permission, explain about your situation to the investigating officer. If he is willing to give you a chance, he will let me know in what way you can resolve this outside the court. That means you do not have to get arrested. You, in fact, you will be getting a chance where you can settle the balance which is pending against your name. Okay.
That would be
Now, in order to
that
right.
would be great.
So, right. So now, before I proceed further, and in order to help you fix this outside the court, I would like to make you aware about certain rules and regulations which has been directly set by Internal Revenue Services. So it's very important for you to follow all of them in order to take care of the situation. You need to
Okay,
make sure you follow all the rules and regulations. Okay, so listen to me carefully.
okay,
And the first thing out here is, as your name is under the defaulters list right now with Internal Revenue Services, there is already a tax evasion case, like warrants for 2 years already issued out against your name. So this is a highly confidential matter. So at this stage, according to the Act 1998, subsection B, Code of Conduct 128, sharing and disclosing about this information to any third person will be treated as in a criminal offense, and jail time for this will increase to 5 years. That means anyone apart from you right now will be considered as in a third party. So you're not supposed to involve any person into the situation, okay? That is the first thing. Second, we work according to a computer managed system. So as soon as this line got to be disconnected, there is no way I can stop these warrants. So is this like your cell phone? Are you in a good reception right now?
yes.
Okay,
I
no
seem
problem.
to
Just
be.
make sure we should know. Okay. You just want to make sure that you should not face any disconnection. If the line got to be disconnected, there is no way I can help you stop these warrants. Even if you're going to get this chance, the warrants will be triggered automatically from my system. The nearest authorities will be informed about this and you will be getting arrested in next 20-25 minutes. So make sure we stay connected. And the last thing, this is a federally recorded and monitored line. So at any given point, you're not supposed to place call on hold, either on mute from your end. Whatever needs to be done, like needs to be done over this recorded line, I need to get a clear connection from your end.
Okay,
Okay, so make sure you do not put call on hold, either on mute. As I said, this might take me about 2 minutes now. And one last thing that I need to inform you is, investigating officer will run a background verification check upon your name. If your record's found to be clean, based on that, he will decide and let me know whether to give you such kind of a chance or not. If given a chance, he will let me know that what exactly you can do. But for which there are set of few questions that I need to ask you right away on his behalf, and you need to give me honest answers. Okay? And the
oh,
first question is: have you ever been arrested before by any sheriff department?
not by the sheriff's department. I have by the local police.
And for what type of a charges? Like what exactly happened?
DWI.
Okay. And like you been suffered time for more than 24 hours, or like how exactly this was? You have suffered a jail period for 24 hours or more than that?
I didn't understand you.
No. Were you been jailed for at least 24 hours or
No,
less
no,
than that?
no, no, no. It was only I don't know, 2 hours maybe, something like that.
Okay, that's it. So, no problem. The second question, did you ever file for bankruptcy or foreclosure in your past?
No, I haven't.
Okay, and the last question, currently do you face trial or any criminal judgment against your name apart from this one which is going on right now?
No, sir, no.
Alright, not a problem. So this might take me about 2 minutes now. The line will go blank. I'll just place your call on hold. I just hope your records are clean because based on that he will decide to give you a chance or not. So I'll just get back to you if given a chance. But from your end, make sure that you stay connected. Okay, and
Okay,
follow all the rules and regulations.
okay,
Alright, so the line will go blank now.
put in a good
Hmm.
word for me.
Sure.
All right.
Okay, so I'll just place your call on hold now.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh boy.
You there, Anthony?
Yes.
Alright, see, this might take me about 1 more minute, and I'll just let you know the officer is about to run a background check upon your name now. So just give me a minute and I'll let you know in case
Oh, okay.
if given a chance, I'll let you know.
All
Alright,
right.
no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Alright, not a problem. See, all your records are good. So based on your records, the investigating officer is willing to go ahead and give you a chance where you can rectify the situation outside the court.
Oh,
But
that's
over
great.
here, resolving this is right. So I've tried my best. Like, fortunately, there is nothing that you have to worry about this now, right now. The only thing is, the only concern that I have right now is like, see, as I'm from legal department, so I
Uh-huh.
cannot go ahead and ask or accept any payment from your end. There is only one way where I can help you fix this by helping you purchase the tax payment card. Like, it's a payment where you need to mail the payment to the IRS headquarters directly, which is based out in Washington DC, in form of a tax payment card. So did you heard about this tax payment card before?
No, sir, I have not.
Alright, let me just make you aware about the whole procedure now. See, what happens here is, as I'm from the legal department, as we are not authorized to ask for any, accept or any payment. So at this stage, in order to help you fix this, like there is a set mode of a payment wherein you can simply purchase this card. This is a card which is officially used for paying your taxes and bills. You can find such type of a card only in the United States Treasury authorized stores. Once you purchase this card, there is a validation procedure. Once the validation procedure is completed, then I will give you the address to the IRS headquarters. Then all the information which is required at that point in time, you simply need to go to the nearest postal services in your town and mail these cards to the address that I'm going to give you. Okay, once these cards have been mailed, I will transfer the call to the investigating officer of your case. He will then send you the confirmation. Once you verify the confirmation, only then we can disconnect the line. So that is the first thing. We need to stay connected the whole time till the time this procedure is not getting completed, wherein I can guide you step by step. All right. So over
Okay.
here, you need to stay connected. That means wherever you go, whatever you've done, I can guide you through the procedure step by step. Once you receive the confirmation, then yes, you can disconnect the line and we can call for the day. All right. And the second thing, I've already explained you about your like financial situation, that you can come up with 2,000 from your bank account and
Mm-hmm.
3,000 from your credit card. There is nothing more than that you can come up with today. And for the remaining, I have also tried and convinced them for the payment schedule if possible. But again, that confirmation will be given to you by the investigating officer. Right now, I haven't received any commitment for the payment schedule for the remainder balance, but the officer told me once you come up with this amount, once you resolve this and mail the cards worth $5,000, as he will talk to you, I will transfer the call, and at that point in time, he will confirm with you. Once you receive the confirmation for the remainder payment schedule, then well and good, or else whatever is it, he will let you know directly. Okay. So
Okay.
I hope you should be
Okay.
able to get a payment schedule as well for this amount. But over here now, most importantly, in order to resolve this outside the court now, once you go to the authorized store to purchase the card, the store people will not accept payment through your debit card, neither through your credit card. You need to make a payment in form of cash. So first of all, do you think you would be able to arrange the funds in form of cash?
Yeah. I mean, I'll do whatever. Yeah.
Perfect, not a problem. So now listen to me very carefully. We need to follow and complete this procedure step by step. So very first step right now is you need to leave. Like you also need to gather your credit card along with you. Gather all your banking details. The very first thing that you need to do is that you need to withdraw the funds, the $2,000 which is there in your bank account. Okay?
Okay.
And the credit card which you have, is it of the same bank or it's of different? Is it of a different bank or a same bank?
No, it's the same one.
Perfect. So I'll just explain you how exactly you need to do things now. First of all, gather your all banking details, including your credit card. All right. And how far is the bank from you right now?
Uh, I don't know, 3 to 4 miles, something like that.
About 10-15 minutes. You will still
Yeah.
take to reach
Yeah.
there.
Something like that. Yeah.
All right. Perfect. So, and one more thing that I need to inform you is your cell phone completely charged? Because before you leave, I just want to make sure we should not face any disconnection, even while you're trying to resolve this. So, is your cell phone charged?
Yes, I charged it this morning actually.
Okay. And just to be on a safer side, do you have a car charger with yourself?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. It's out.
All right.
It's in
Perfect.
it's
Not a
in my
problem.
car. Yeah.
Perfect, not a problem. So you need to leave right now, Anthony. Once you sit in your car, only then I would be able to inform the on-field officers and tell them to stop wherever they are. So unnecessarily, you should not get arrested while you're trying to resolve this. Okay, so all you need to do now is like just get ready. Once you sit in your car, you need to leave right away. Just let me know once you sit in your car, okay?
Okay. Where am I going to? To the bank?
Yes, to the bank first. You're not getting any cards in the bank. So you need to withdraw the funds in form of cash. You don't have to confuse yourself. You're not making any payment in cash to anyone, nor at the bank, nor you're mailing any cash. Only reason you need cash is because once you go to the authorized store in order to purchase the cards, the store people will ask you to make a payment in form of cash so that you can purchase the card worth the $5,000 which you're gonna withdraw.
Okay. Where's this store at?
The store information will be coordinated to you by the accounts department, so I might need to transfer the call as well once you withdraw the funds in form of cash. It's a procedure which we need to follow step by step. So in case if I'm not getting access to that information, then I have to transfer the call, and they will just help you further, like which is the nearest possible store from your bank itself, so that they won't be taking much time. It's just that you need to withdraw the funds in form of cash first. Only then I would be able to help you further.
Okay, all right. So what do I need to do?
All right. So all you need to do right now is gather all your banking information, including your credit card, and like you need to go to your bank first. So once you sit in your car, just let me know that I can inform the officer that yes, you're on the way to the bank now. And as I said, I need to give a timely update. So just let me know once you sit in your car now. Okay?
All right, can you hang on just a minute?
Yes. Just put your cell phone on speaker. Okay. Make sure we are connected. Gather all your information, sit in your car, and then let me know that yes, you are in your car. Okay?
Okay, hang on.
All right. No problem.
Hey, sir? Hello?
Yes. Are we connected?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
yes,
All right. So are you ready to leave now?
yes.
All right. Perfect. So are you in your car or just about to reach to your car?
No, I'm backing out of the driveway.
Okay. No problem. Once you sit in your car, just inform me. Okay? And your cell phone is on speaker, correct?
Yeah, I'm in my car. I'm backing out
Okay.
of the
You're already.
driveway.
Okay. Perfect. Not a problem. You can plug in your car charger now, and you just drive safely. Once you reach to the bank parking lot, just let me know. You do not have to talk to me. I understand there are certain traffic rules as well. I don't want you to get a ticket while you're driving. It's just that we need to stay connected. So make sure like we stay connected. Put like plug in your car charger. Let the cell phone be on speaker only. And once you park your car, do not walk inside the bank directly. Just let me know once you park your car. Okay? And you can start driving. Let me just inform the on-field officers about your exact situation now that you're on the way, and tell them to stop the warrants on a temporary basis. Okay?
Okay.
You have gathered the like you have the credit card with yourself as well, correct?
Do what?
You have the credit card of the same bank with yourself as well,
Yes,
right?
yes,
You have
yeah.
got the credit card.
Yeah, I told you that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Not a problem. Yes, perfect. Not a problem. So you can start driving. Just let me know. I'll just inform the officers. This might take you about 10 to 15 minutes to reach there.
Okay.
So you can start driving now. Just
I'm-
let me know once you park at the bank.
I'm driving.
Perfect. No problem.
Are you there?
All right. No problem. You can drive like this, and I'll get you arrested by sending the sheriff. Goodbye.
How many have you scammed today? Oh boy, we got that one. Oh, that was a good one. Gosh, we kept him on the phone for a long time. Are you still there, scammer? Come on, scammer, are you there? I don't guess so. That was fun. I hope y'all enjoyed that. That was a long one, but hey, the longer I keep them on the phone, they're not scamming no one.